My mother, she is a very gentle person and a very loving and caring mother I have. I'm very fortunate to have her in my life. Seeing my mother's nature, she wouldn't express anything. She generally doesn't express her pain and all. She just keeps it to herself. But I could make out from her face that she was in deep pain. I could only sense this, and when I asked her, she said, yes, I'm in deep pain. So that's my mother.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಕರಡಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ 78 years old. ನನಗೆ ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆನ್ನು ನೋವು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು.
My mother was here during the month of May. She came to stay with me for a few days. That time she developed severe back pain, and she has an old history of osteoporosis. So we thought we might as well take her to Manipal Whitefield.
ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವರು MRI ಮಾಡಿಸಿದರು. ಆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನೂಪ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದರು.
Patient was referred to the Department of Vascular Surgery from the spine surgeons after getting an MRI which showed a complicated abdominal aortic aneurysm. The aneurysm was complicated because the sac was involving the supramesenteric artery and the renals. Now the problem with treating such diseases is either you have to treat them either doing open surgery or we have the option of doing them endovascular.
ಅನೂಪ್ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಐತಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
And we were very because of her age, and she is about 78 years old. So we were apprehensive whether she'll be able to take it and all. Then Dr. Anup suggested, no, it is a minimal invasive surgery, and he explained it very well to us.
Now, since the patient was old and she had a spine fracture which was a little complicated, the option of doing open surgery was a little risky to her. So we decided to do an endovascular procedure.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
With her, the problem was that a covered stent would cover her renals and supramesenteric artery. So we had to modify the procedure that we were planning to do, and so we did a chimney. Now in chimney, we made sure that the blood flow to these main vessels retain with a covered stent, and we put an endovascular covered stent to cover off the aneurysm.
And the surgery was conducted on 1st of July and completed discharged on 5th of July. As I saw it on these 5 days, whether it is pre-operation, in between the operation or after the operation, I saw the doctors, I saw the staff, and handling the patient was done totally in a professional way. We were so confident that doctor was technically very sound, and he exactly knew what he was doing, and we were sure that the operation would be a success.
She was so happy with him, she felt as though her own son is dealing with her. So that is the kind of treatment Dr. Anup gives us to his patients. And after surgery, about 2 days she was up and about.
The advantage with this procedure is the patient does not have any major cuts. They have just three small cuts, and the next day itself the patient can be mobilized. And the patient got home in about 4 days time, which saved a lot of morbidity to the patient, and patient recovered quite easily and quickly without any major complications.
It was a very good recovery, in fact, and we brought her home on the 5th of July. So thereafter she has been doing her daily routine, and she is back to normal.
I thank once again Manipal Hospital Whitefield for the tremendous effort they have put in to make this operation successful and make my mother-in-law a healthy once again.